Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Flux Coin. Few days back on 25th of December, I shared with you that Flux Coin has broken out a big down channel on the daily time frame. And by the way, before this, I shared almost 2 weeks ago in this video that the price line of Flux Coin can break out a big down channel on the daily time frame for the big pump soon. And you can see that this pump has been started now. We have broken out this down channel, and recently after this breakout we have broken out another triangle, and I want to share the next expected targets with you in today's video. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me to recall this analysis with you that I shared with my members at the Patreon on 25th of December, when the price line was just breaking out the resistance of this down channel. And we also had a very nice support of an uptrend line, and this was also the formation of a symmetrical triangle at the same time. You can see price line found the support here and did not touch the support of the channel because it was testing the support of this triangle. And our target as per this channel and triangle was $2.85, and you can see at that time it was moving at $2.11. Now I've played the chart, and you can see that the price line has so far rallied up to $3.34. That is more than 50% pump. And right now the price line is testing this very significant resistance as a support. This was also a very nice resistance of $2.85. And right now the price line is testing this resistance as a support. Now if we switch to the live daily time frame chart, and here I would like to place this trend line at $2.85 support that was previously working as a very strong resistance. Right now you can see that the price line is testing this resistance as a support. We had a rejection here, two rejections here, one rejection here, and here the price line broke out this resistance, and now it is testing back. Now here, this was another resistance that I want to show you that the price line has broken out, is the resistance of another triangle. We can see that we have a rejection here, and we also have another rejection here, and there is another rejection here as well. And if I connect the support of the candlesticks, then recently the price line has broken out this ascending triangle, and due to this support, I'm not expecting that the price line will test the support, the previous resistance of the triangle as a support, because we have a very strong support of the $2.85. However, the possibility is still there. It is possible that it will move down. We will have a spike, like we had a long spike here. We can have a down spike here, and after testing this resistance as a support of this triangle, we will have a reversal move. Now at the same time, the price line has also formed an up channel as well. You can see that this support of the triangle is also a support of the up channel at the same time, and here we have the resistance. Now if we take a look at the target for this triangle, then our next expected target will be, if I place this trend line at the breakout point, can be here approximately at $3.92. So if the price line does not break out the resistance of this channel, and then it is possible that it will start a zigzag move in the channel like it is doing right now, and it will hit the target. And in case of breaking out this channel, we can expect another very powerful rally. However, we are still bullish. We are in uptrend after breaking out, and we can expect that soon price line can hit this target. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.